Hello guys, this is Chris with marketingintelligencecm.com. I would like to welcome you to another great video on how you can make money online. Before we start this video, I would like to say that this video is dedicated to Vijay and Sarath. As congratulations to you guys, Vijay and Sarath, for you watching this video, and for the rest of the people on this channel. Both of them are located in India. Vijay is located in Cochin. Sarath is located in Mumbai. Both of them contacted me about 2-3 weeks ago, and we started having a couple of Skype calls on different ways that they can adjust through my videos in order to start making money online. And a couple of days ago they contacted me. We had a group call and they started showing me the results of start making money online, and I'm really proud for you guys. And I would like to ask for the rest of you watching this video, part of my channel, to share the results. I'm here to answer the questions if I can and help you through the methods that I'm talking to my channel. So great job guys, Vijay and Sarath, thank you for all the good efforts, and I'm really proud. This is what these videos are. I'm excited when you guys are doing well, because at the end of the day you feel good when you provide and people are getting some value out of it. And I want more people. That's why I have the channel. I have more people to join, start doing these services, find the best option for you, and start applying in order to make some money out of it. Today's video is about the 3 best website affiliate websites that you can register, follow, use their services and products, and start making some money. Before we jump into this, I would like to ask you as always to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive online income from the comfort of your house every single month. Vijay and Sarath tried it. They're really happy. I hope the same for you guys. It's very nice when you see the results start coming in. And also, before we start this video as well, I would like to ask you to click the subscribe button below this video in order to see, my next videos, in order to be part of my channel, in order to see all my videos coming up, and also to receive your feedback and comments in order for me to improve as well. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, the 3 affiliate websites that I have to refer to you guys is not ranking 1, 2, 3 on the order. It doesn't really matter, but first site that I would like to suggest for you guys to go ahead and register is called ClickBank, clickbank.com. Go ahead and register on these guys, create an account, log in, and then start browsing to see the different products, services they have that you can promote. Right, so ClickBank is really good. One of my favorite sites that I'm using to find and promote good services there. Create an account, log it in, and go from there. Right, the other one is JVZoo, jvzoo.com. Yeah, again guys, all the links for the sites will be located on the description of the video below. Yeah, so you can find all 3 links directing to these affiliate sites on my description below. And the second one I told you is JVZoo. Again, you can use the free sign up here in order to log in and start browsing around to see the different services, products, and things you can promote. And last one but not least on this short video is Warrior Plus. Again, you can use the sign up here to log in, find the products that are better assigned to you, and start promoting them to make some money. The question out there was today, which is my favorite sites for affiliate sites in order to use the affiliate marketing. That's why I'm dedicating this video. For you that you haven't watched of my videos before in the past, do follow the description links below this video. In order for you to sign up, you need to provide a PayPal account. 99% of the times you need to use a PayPal account. There is other options besides PayPal. Once you sign up, you are able to give, if you have other accounts with other companies other than PayPal, that you can provide in order to exchange the payments. So to apply the ones is best for you. For my side, I'm using PayPal. And as I told you, go back on my previous videos. I do describe different ways that you can promote affiliate products Like for example, you can do blogging, you can use Facebook where it's allowed, social media. I have a dedicated video on how you can use Google Alerts to get directed traffic. Blog again is one of the very good things, but do not spam people. We don't like to receive spam. We don't want to send spam. Yeah, so don't go back to my channel if you haven't already. See one of my previous videos on how I'm referring to this one. Choose the one or maybe all 2 or 3 of them that you can sign on the link below for the affiliate marketing, and start promoting to make some money today. It was a very short video, guys, today. This is what I wanted to show you, as I received a question from you, which I think is the best 3 affiliate sites to follow. Go ahead, start this. If you like the value of this video, click the subscribe and thumbs up, and I wish you everybody great day. Start doing some business today, start bringing some money in today. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wish everybody a good day. Bye bye.